Hey yo, it's Skippy. What I'm doing at the moment now is I'm just putting these pieces of skirting up here to hold my tile until the glue dries. And I'll show you why in a minute. Because there's always a why. Why? I've plumbed up off here, so that's where my tile is going, because I'm going to be sitting up there with the tile, because like I said before in my other the video that you had yesterday or the day before, I'm framing this in aluminium, shiny aluminium, and going into there. So what I need to do is hold these tiles. So now all I do is run straight up. What I'm doing here is I'm having these as supports. It's where each tile joins, like I'm framing it like that. This actually goes a little bit higher than the window, so that's why I put another one in there and run my line straight up, and then put a full tile in there and there and there. I put in a piece, so I'll be running this up straight up there, and that'll be a full tile. See that? Cool. That ceiling is good to that window, so I don't even need to cut my full tile. Well, that's really cool. Okay, I'll just run these up here, up each side, and I'll come back to you. See you soon. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. See ya. Bye.